What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 Don't keep up with the Joneses.
Welcome back to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. Listen, we are closing in on the holiday, and some people might have came through and said, hey, I need you to make this for me. Or you might be at home trying to figure out how to make everything for yourself. And so I'm going to be hitting y'all with some side dishes that you can either slide through to somebody else's house or you can eat on your own. But these dishes going to be so easy. And today I'm making green bean casserole. What you're gonna need is about to be so easy. You're gonna need 2 cans of soup, cream of mushroom, 2 bags of, I have frozen green beans. I think you could use fresh, but you know, whatever. 2 bags of frozen green beans, some of these crunchy Frenchy onion things, a little bit of milk, and an oven that is set at 350. Okay, let's get started. You're gonna pour them into a bowl. I'm using the French cut green beans because I personally just like French cut green beans in general, but also when I'm doing green bean casserole. So you're gonna pour them in like that. You're gonna, oh Lord, y'all, my bowl already feeling like it's about to be a little on the small side, but that's okay. We're gonna finagle it. We're gonna get our can opener. And we're going to open up this mushroom soup situation. Cream of mushroom soup. You're going to pour both cans inside and you're going to mix it up. Alrighty. Then we're gonna get a spoon and we're gonna mix it up. And then we're gonna start adding seasonings. Because you know, you can't let it be just like basic, you know. So mix it up. Yes, Mr. Handsome. The what? Okay, sit down. Thank you. Alrighty, so you're just gonna get a nice good mixing, and then you're actually gonna go ahead and you're gonna start getting some seasonings from your pantry. So let me tell y'all what seasonings I'm gonna be working with today. Okay guys, so for the seasonings we're gonna be using a little bit of onion powder. We are going to be using, yes Mr. Handsome. Okay, thank you. Sit down. We are going to be using some black pepper. And we are going to be using some Italian blend seasoning. Now, you'll notice that I kind of steered away from seasonings that have a heavy salt-based content because that cream of mushroom soup already has a pretty salty base that comes with it. So whatever seasonings you decide to add into your casserole, you just kind of want to steer clear of things that are salt based because you really got all the salt you needed when you added that soup into this recipe. Alrighty, and now that we have that all mixed up, the last thing, well, the second to last thing that we're going to add in is actually going to be our milk. So we are going to add in 1/2 cup of milk just to make sure this is going to be nice and juicy, okay? And now if you like a little bit of flair, I know people that love cooking with sour cream. This is an opportunity as well for you to add in, I would say about 1/4 cup of sour cream if you're just trying to do something really fancy. But I'm not going to go with any sour cream this time. Okay, and now this is going to be last. We're not gonna put the entire container of these. We're only gonna put half now. We're gonna bake it for a little bit, and then we're gonna be putting the other half on top later. Okay, so go ahead and mix those in. Okay, and now you want to get your baking dish. You want to spray it with some ham, butter, cooking spray, whatever. And once you've sprayed that, you're going to go ahead and you're going to add that mixture to the pan. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put this in the oven. The total cook time for this is going to be about 35 to 40 minutes. So you wanna take it out when there's about 15 minutes left, and that's when you're gonna add the rest of your crunchies. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so we're at that point where we're gonna add the rest of our Crispies on top. And this is a good opportunity for you to check and see how your casserole is going. If it seems like it's a little too dry, you can go ahead, stir in a little bit more milk. That's my oven, y'all. So, I just finished adding on the Crispies. It's a good opportunity, like I was saying, to see if your casserole seems a little dry. You can add in some more milk if it does. And I'm gonna put it back in the oven for about 5 to 7 more minutes, and then we will be ready to eat it. You guys. And just like that, we have an amazing green bean casserole that was so simple, so easy to make. Make sure you stick around. Make sure you subscribe to our new family channel where you'll be finding more of our cooking videos. And until next time, don't keep up with the Joneses.